Have you ever faced a problem that just wouldn't go away? You fix one issue only to have another pop up. It feels like an endless cycle, like playing whack-a-mole with problems. But what if I told you there's a simple, yet incredibly powerful way to break that cycle and uncover the real root cause of any issue? It's called the 5 Why analysis, a technique used by some of the most successful businesses and strategists in the world. Whether you're running a company, managing a project, or even just trying to solve everyday challenges, this method can change the way you think about problems forever. So, how does it work? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. You take a problem and you ask why 5 times. Each time you dig a little deeper, peeling back the layers until you reach the true cause. It was originally developed by Toyota in the 1950s as part of their lean manufacturing approach, and even today, it's being used by companies like Amazon, Google, and Tesla to streamline operations and make smarter decisions. Let's see it in action. Imagine a manufacturing plant is experiencing an increase in defective products. That's a serious issue because defects lead to unhappy customers, higher costs, and wasted resources. Instead of rushing to fix the problem on the surface, let's apply the 5 Why analysis. First, we ask, why are defective products increasing? The answer? Because there's a higher rate of assembly line errors. Next, why are there more assembly line errors? It turns out that some machines are frequently malfunctioning. Then we ask, why are the machines malfunctioning? The maintenance reports show that certain key parts are wearing out too quickly. So, why are these parts wearing out so fast? Because the materials used for these parts are lower quality than before. And finally, why are we using lower quality materials? Because the procurement team recently switched to a cheaper supplier to reduce costs. Now we've uncovered the real root cause. A cost-cutting decision led to lower quality materials, which caused machine failures, which then increased defects. Instead of just repairing broken machines over and over, the company now knows it needs to review its supplier selection process to ensure that cost-cutting doesn't compromise quality. Now, let's take another business example. Suppose a company is losing sales. The first question, why are sales declining? The answer, fewer customers are buying. So we ask again, why are customers not buying? Competitors are offering better deals. The third, why digs deeper. Why are competitors' deals better? Because they've adjusted their prices while we haven't. That brings us to the next step. Why haven't we adjusted our prices? Because we don't have a system in place to track competitor pricing in real time. And finally, why don't we have that system? Because we never established a dynamic pricing strategy to respond to market changes. Now, instead of simply saying, we need more sales, the company knows exactly what to fix. They need to monitor competitor prices regularly and adjust accordingly. That's a real solution, not just a band-aid fix. This method works everywhere, even with internal challenges like employee motivation. Imagine you're a manager, and you notice that your team seems disengaged. Why? Because they don't seem motivated. Why aren't they motivated? They don't feel connected to their work. Why not? Because they don't see growth opportunities. Why is that? Because leadership isn't communicating a clear career path. And why is leadership not focused on this? Because there's no structured employee development program in place. Once again, the real issue isn't just low motivation. The real problem is a lack of a clear career path, and the solution is to build a strong development program that keeps employees engaged. The beauty of the 5 Why analysis is that it forces us to move past surface-level thinking. Instead of treating symptoms, we get to the heart of the issue. And the best part? It doesn't just work in business. It works in everyday life. Now, here's a challenge for you. Think about a problem you're facing right now. Apply the 5 Why analysis and see where it leads you. You might be surprised at what you discover. Enjoyed what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and like this video to join our community and never miss out on new content.